So today I'm on a bit of a mercy mission. I have a customer who lives in Budapest, which is a 2-hour train ride away. He's a recent amputee and he's just been struck down with a series of strokes and is heading back to the US for treatment. But he's got a car in Budapest, which is in a garage, and he doesn't want to get it in trouble because he's not sure how long he's going to be in the States. So I'm here at Repsolac mainline railway station, heading for Budapest. We've got a mutual friend who's going to guide me to the car and give me the keys and stuff, and then I'm going to get it to safety for him. So busy day, but fantastic weather. You can see from the sunshine on my ugly mug here how lovely it is. So nice chilled train ride up there, and a bit of a struggle back on the M1, which is covered in roadworks, but hey, that's today's job. Here at Repsolac rail station, where we have a Linde gas depot, and there's quite often gas deliveries or tankers ready to go away. It's difficult for me to tell if this one's full. Nice to see the man going down ringing the wheels, old-fashioned style. What I hadn't hoisted aboard is that they effectively use conventional brake pads on the outsides of the wheels. It's got an air brake system as well. You see the operating mechanism here, and I could hear that refill when they hooked up the train to move it once our train, which is just coming in now, has got out of the way because the railway lines themselves are actually single line, but obviously in the stations they have the option to shuffle the trains. Here comes my train. See you later. Here we are in Budapest. The train was in good time, taking a nice brief trolley bus ride to the car. Here it is. I've just pulled it out of the underground car parking because my friend was helping me get it out. Notice we've only got one rear lamp, but hopefully we won't get in trouble for that. I'm just going to do a quick walk around on the car just to make sure there's no obvious visual issues before we get going. Yeah, we're looking good, so getting a swift drive home and then sort the car out for the moment. So it's not the world's youngest Golf, but still in very fine fettle. Pleasingly, he's got Apple CarPlay on his head unit, which means I can just plug in here for my navigation and my music on the way home. So it's not going to be too tedious of a task. We've got nearly half a tank for fuel to get me past the way, so yeah, lights on, off we go.